I have had dental issues all of my life as a small child, and I've been in and out of dentist's office since then. And I realized in my later years that I really was interested in getting dental implants. The challenges I had personally were chewing. I was missing a lot of teeth, and I was only able to chew on the left side, which was causing damage to the permanent teeth there. I was told by many dentists that there would be extensive work, but never one of them mentioned dental implants. That wasn't anything, and I didn't even bring it up. I didn't even broach the subject because I wanted to retain my permanent teeth. And so that went on for several years. And finally it got to the point where I said, you know what, I really need to stop working on permanent teeth and really focus on dental implants. And that's what I did. Early one morning, I'm watching a show called The Wellness Hour, and I see Dr. Jacob Rogers, and I was completely enthralled. I stopped what I was doing and I said, you know what, this is the man. This is where I'm gonna go. I'm going to call. And I waited for open of business. I called, scheduled an appointment for a free consultation, and I was seen in a timely manner. When I went for the consultation, I was greeted warmly. I felt very relaxed, very comfortable. When I saw Dr. Rogers, I also felt very warm, welcoming, very compassionate. He addressed my issues. We came up with a game plan, and I walked away knowing this is it. I don't need to go anywhere else.
So when Deborah first came to see us at the ABQ Dental Implant Center, she'd been dealing with a lot of dental work that had been done over the last couple decades that was starting to fail and wasn't quite holding up the way she expected it to. One thing in particular is she was missing a lot of teeth in the back on the bottom, but she was dealing with very minimal bone. So in the areas where she was missing teeth, she did not have a lot of bone and not enough bone to do conventional implants. And so what we did for Deborah is we were able to place implants where she had bone and build the teeth off of those. Whereas when we replace single teeth with implants, we have to have bone exactly where that tooth is going to go. But in cases where we're replacing everything, the implants can act more as anchors for the tooth, and we can find the bone that's good and where we have a lot of it, and then just build the teeth off of where those implants are, no matter where they're at. And so we were able to do that for Deborah on the lower as well as the top. On the top, she also has some deficiencies in bone around her sinuses. So for her in particular, we were able to utilize some specialized implants that go back behind the sinuses so that we could anchor the teeth in a way where she could get a full set of teeth. So one of the great things about replacing a whole set of teeth is we get to start with a clean slate. That means we can build the bite into an ideal position, and also we get to choose with the patient the ideal aesthetics for them. And so for Deborah, it was really, really important that the teeth looked a particular way and had a very particular color to them. And so for her, we were able to find out what she wanted and apply those things to the design of the teeth so that in the end, she got exactly what she wanted in the appearance.
I can smile again. I can eat the foods I used to eat. I have such a quality of life. It is amazing. I am upbeat. I'm happier. It is the best thing that's ever happened. And I am so glad that I chose Albuquerque Dental Implant Center to go to. I am so happy that I was watching the Wellness Hour that morning to see Dr. Jacob Rogers, because I would have never known that he was out there. And it just really changed my life, transformed me. I'm very, very happy, very pleased. Highly recommend, highly recommend.